Hey guys, we've got a basic looking at embeddings in Deephaven. So what I'm going to do here is use this OpenAI clip model to calculate embeddings from descriptions of pictures and from actual images, and then make it so you can type in a string and it'll go and rank all the pictures that it has embeddings for against the embeddings for the string that you type in. So let's just go look at what this looks like. First, I'm going to add these two tables, which are going to be empty right now. One is an input table where I can type in a string, and the other one is the table with the actual image embeddings once I add them. So next we're going to go and use this Python code to call a model and then add the embeddings to the input table. Let's go run that. So this is going to calculate embeddings for four things actually. One is a picture of a cat, one is a picture of a dog, the other is the string of photo of a cat, and then the next is the string of photo of a dog. So if we go and look here, you can see we have these four things and the embeddings for each of them. So the embeddings are just an array column. This is 768 floats, and that's the model's representation of these things here. So the next we can use this cosine similarity function to calculate the distance between two sets of embeddings. So next I'm going to make it so that when we type in a string over here, like dog, it will calculate the embeddings for that string and then go rank that string against each of these images. So let's go see what that looks like. This found images table where we can see the output. So, okay. So we have the string dog, you can see its embeddings over here, and then its similarity to each of these two pictures, the dog picture and the cat picture. Obviously the string dog is, a better match for the actual picture of the dog. We can go and add some more images here. I'm going to add some pictures of my dog. This is Miles. This is Miles in the doorway, Miles in the snow, Miles with a graduation cap photoshopped onto him, Miles working on a laptop. So I'm going to add all of these. You can see it's going to go and update this table with the embeddings for each of these images down here. And then you can see when we look at the similarity of the string dog to the embeddings for each of these, all of the pictures of Miles come before the picture of a cat, which makes sense since Miles is a dog and not a cat. If I go and type in other stuff like snow, the number one match here is going to be the picture of Miles in the snow, which is right here, as you can see, so it knows that there's snow in the picture. If I type snow dog, same thing. If I type genius dog, it's going to find pictures of Miles working on a laptop and Miles wearing the training cap, the graduation cap. If I type, dog in doorway, whatever, same thing. The picture of Miles in a doorway is the picture of a dog in a doorway. So it's just a basic example of what embeddings look like in Deephaven, and just sort of piping it through the query engine and doing some stuff with it. Obviously, there's nothing optimized about this at all. When you type in a string and you want to find the similarity, it's doing an exhaustive search of the embeddings for every image here. So I'm sure that there's stuff we can do to be much smarter about that, like calculating indexes in some way that lets us do a much more straightforward search.